Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 100th session today and we are learning the Power Pivot in Microsoft Excel. So let's take a look at where you need to go if you are working with the proper edition copy of Microsoft Excel, where you can go to activate the Power Pivot tool. So in the last lectures you have seen that what are Power Pivot in Microsoft Excel and why should we use Power Pivot. So now today we are going to see like how if you have the proper edition, then how you can go ahead and activate the Power Pivot tool. So if you're not sure, follow along with me here. We will find out if you have got it in your system, and if you have questions about it, jump into the comment section of this video and ask the question there. Alright, so I'm back into my same example file. Really doesn't matter what worksheet you are on. I'm currently on customer info because that's where we are going to continue working. I already have a Power Pivot activate here. I did that earlier, but I'm going to show you where I went to activate that tab. So if you will go to your file tab, top of your screen, go down into the options, more and option, file options inside of Excel option window. We are going to go down to the add-ins. Now there are all sorts of add-ins that you can take advantage of within Excel. Some are built in, some you have to download, and then they become available to you. Add-ins are essentially additional tools. They are not installed by default, but once you activate them, you get some additional tools to work with inside of Excel. The solver tool is another add-in that we can bring inside of Excel, and that's one that we'll take a look at later in the course. So we are going to see a couple of add-ins as we continue. The first one here is Power Pivot. So for us, again, to that file option inside the option window, go to the add-ins, and then in the lower portion of the screen we have got the manage option with the little drop down. Now I'm going to go into the little drop down and I'm going to toggle com add-ins, and I'm going to go. So is this going to open up my com add-ins window? Inside of there you can see I have got a couple of them active already. I have got PDF Acrobat Maker, right? If you got Adobe Acrobat load in on your system, that's one that should attach itself automatically to your Office application. And then you see I got few others in there as well, one of them being Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Now if you have got it there, you can just check the box that's going to turn it on for you, and I'll hit OK, and that will activate the new tab along the top, which is called Power Pivot. Now, if you don't have it here, you got to go look to see if your copy, your version of Microsoft Excel has the ability to have Excel Power Pivot. If it doesn't, again, sorry, it's not available everywhere, not available on a Mac, not available in certain editions of Excel. But once again, I highly recommend getting a copy that does have it. It's a great tool, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that box is checked. I'll hit OK, and alright, so if you were able to turn on there, you should now have a Power Pivot tab along your ribbon, and uh, we have now been able to activate it. So very cool, right? Now if you are able to activate that there, we are going to take a look at creating the data model next, and we are going to create the data model based off of those two worksheets, and we are going to link them together. So before we do that, make sure you go through the steps, confirm that you have it, turn it on if you got it there, and we'll be good to go, and we'll jump into the next lecture and learn how to create the data model with the help of Power Pivot. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.